Stand up.
A Lauderhill police officer, once hailed as a hero, is now on the other side of the law. But don't worry. The mainstream media rushed in to reassure us that in all fairness, there was a verbal argument first. Because apparently, in 2025, words justify fists. This is Officer Jason Reyes. Not long ago, he was praised across the media for pulling someone from a burning vehicle. Headlines applauded bravery, news packages rolled, feel-good stories everywhere. And as we all know, once you save a life, you earn lifetime immunity from consequences. Fast forward a few months to a crash scene. Reyes encounters a driver. Tensions rise. There's a verbal back and forth, and the media makes very sure you know that part. Because context matters, especially when it helps lower expectations for police behavior. Then, the Bodycam fills in the part the spin can't explain. Reyes orders the driver to stand up, and then punches him in the face.
I want to set up this story. When we heard about the charge in this case, a misdemeanor battery charge, we wanted to see the video. After all, the allegations are very disturbing. According to the state, this officer punched a driver when he was investigating a crash scene. What you'll see in the video is you'll see, in all fairness, a back and forth between this Lauderhill police officer and this driver.
Lauderhill police officer Jason Reyes arriving on the scene of a crash. For the first time, we are seeing the video from this incident. Let's listen in on this conversation.
What's your problem?
Right now you are, because you caused all this.
Tensions escalate.
Nothing. What is wrong with me is that, ma'am, sit down.
You need to leave me alone. That's what you.
No, I'm going to stand right here because you're a reckless individual.
Let's continue to watch.
I'll crush you either way, bro.
You're a grown man.
Reyes tells the driver to stand up.
Then stand up.
Hold on, because this is the part people keep skipping past. After Officer Jason Reyes throws the punch, a female officer tries to stop Reyes. She puts hands on him and yells, "Stop," to de-escalate. Reyes responds by telling her to get the f off of me and shoves her back. Let that sink in. Other officers are yelling, "Stop." They're trying to restrain him. They know he's out of control. Still no cuffs, still no takedown, still no arrest. Only later does a citizen say what apparently no one in uniform could say in the moment. You need to do better. When bystanders have higher standards than police, that's not a bad moment. That's a bad system.
You can hear other officers saying, "Stop."
Get off of me! Get the off of me!
And this witness saying, "You need to do better."
Officer, you're wrong, man. I keep
Bro.
talking to you a long time, man. You're wrong. You're wrong for that, man.
Wrong for what?
Me and you were the first one out here, and I keep talking to you.
He caused all of this.
Yeah, but you need to calm down too, officer. You're the older man. You need to do better than that.
There's a second person in here.
We have covered Reyes in the past. He was hailed a hero cop, his body camera capturing his heroic actions in May of last year as he rushed to rescue a victim in a fiery crash. But this body-worn camera shows something very different. This occurred last March on Rock Island Road. Reyes was charged in September with misdemeanor battery. According to the arrest report, when Reyes was investigating a crash this past March on Rock Island Road, he told the driver to stand up and then hit the driver in the face with a closed fist. Reyes has been placed on administrative leave.
Somebody's going to do that. He gets what he deserves.
He gets what he deserves. I also want to mention this. This video was not easy to get. In fact, when we first heard about the story, widely reported, we were told this is an act of internal affairs investigation. Finally, the Broward State Attorney's Office releasing this video as part of the discovery process. This officer has a court appearance in early January. Of course, we'll be there.
When Officer Jason Reyes says he got what he deserved, that tells you everything. Not about the suspect, but about the mindset. Because in this system, some people get due process, and others get whatever an officer thinks they deserve in the moment. That's not justice, that's culture. If you believe accountability matters, hit subscribe, share this video, and drop a comment. Support independent reporting and help keep these stories visible. The link tree is in the description.